We would like to push the boundary of the musical animation with the technology so that the musical animation can evolve into live stage performances. My research topic is to support artists for creating musical animation. I've done 2 research in singing animation synthesis and research on interfaces to control musical animation in real time. Here I present the research to model the pose parameter of the singing animation only from the singing voices and the musical information. Our work is inspired by the previous work uses deep learning to estimate the pose parameters, but only using exactly the same parameter used in previous work, created animation looked like this. To achieve the goal to create facial animation without using visual data, we look at the musical information and vizeme information. By adding the parameters derived from the music and the mouse shape data derived from the voices, the input data becomes richer and be able to present featuring and singing. Here we show the results. As indicated in subjective evaluation, mostly evaluate that the result is fairly natural and learns the motion feature well. Controlling the musical animation character is not a simple task due to its complexity of the motion. Our idea of controlling the character in real time is to apply similar interaction with the music's control, like DJ. This is GUI of Dance DJ and audio view of the system. On both sides of Dance DJ GUI, there's 2 different character motion. In the middle, there's a blended result of A and B, and the master tempo of the musician is also displayed. By pressing the play button, the character starts to dance, and by controlling the tempo fader, the speed of each dance motion changes. Using the crossfader, you can switch which dance motion to show to audiences. Turntables are used to control the dance frame by frame. When users try to switch the character at the frame where the music and poses are completely different, the corruption happens at a certain frame. To find the naturalness of transition, we have introduced transition functions. This function stands for 2 similar assessment functions, pose similarity and beat similarity. The local transition function value are displayed beneath the character and shows how similar transition will be by the color bar. The character on the left is the results created without transition function, and the right is result created by our method. At the frame that we display mixing, there's where the transition have executed by users. Here I show the static image. Zooming up, you can clearly see the transition function have played a big role to make the transition look more natural. The viewer result indicates that introduction of the transition function overperformed the results created without the transition function. The user results are indicated that the transition function plays a big role. Additionally, more users get used to create a satisfied result in fewer minutes.